So here's an idea for stretching out our hip flexors using our chair at our desk. If you have a chair that actually tilts back, this is a little bit better. If it is on wheels, that's even better too, but just make sure that you have a stable environment to make sure that chair doesn't slide out from underneath of you. And then you end up falling. So we want to make sure that you're safe, that you kind of know what you're doing. But we want to just move slowly through this. But I want to talk through how you can do an effective hip flexor stretch using your work chair. I'm going to try to show you from a couple of angles here as well. So the first one is you're going to, if you have armrests on your chair, you want to make sure that they're lowered down so they're not kind of hitting you as we drive forward. And I'll show you that in a minute. So take one knee forward like so. You're kind of straddling that arm. Bring that back just a touch, and then step forward, if you will, with that opposite leg. So we're in a little bit of a lunge position. And with the back of that chair moving, we can use that for part of our support as we weight shift forward, just like so. So as we weight shift forward, it's important to stabilize by squeezing your glute to keep that back strong. We don't want to be bending forward. We want that glute tight to support, and then we weight shift forward like so to get a nice big stretch into those hip flexors. Again, a little bit more of an advanced stretch. If you feel like you can take a little bit more of a stretch, come forward, reach that arm forward and up. And here again, we get that length through the front part of that body. And then for the ultra flexible, if you want a little bit more, go ahead and come forward, pull that heel up like so. And you can get a little bit more of a deeper stretch as well. So here again, this is using your work chair as a way to try to open up your hip flexors because they do get jammed up when we sit. Just be careful that your chair is stable and isn't going to move so that you don't risk falling. And again, I hope this helps.